Why are you doing this? Stop. You're not gonna put me on the channel.
Have a good day. Okay, my family just left for the day, which means I have 8 hours to find things in the house and switch them for 3D prints. Let's go. Here we go. I'll take that. That is already 3D printed. Come here, little doggy. Okay, maybe later. My wife's hat. She'll never know. There are 2 ways to do this. I can either 3D design each one of these parts, which might take all day if I'm being honest, or I can use a 3D scanner, scan all these in, send them to my printer, and hopefully get them done within the 8 hours. Let's use the scanner. So the way this works is you choose the size of your scan. So we could do large, medium, or small, and it tells you in millimeters how big or small that would be. And then you choose if you want to capture the geometry, the texture, the marker, and then go ahead and hit start scanning. Before I scan these items, let me do a test run on this little owl that was included with the scanner. They say the accuracy on this scanner is up to 0.05 millimeters, which is plenty for this purpose. This scanner is called the Otter Lite, and it was sent to us by Creality. This app is so easy to use. It connects wirelessly to my phone, and it tells me if I'm messing up, getting too close or too far away. That owl came out looking very good. Let's scan this item first. First one's done, let's scan the other 2 and get them on the printers. Everything is on the printers, we're just waiting for them to print. I don't like waiting, but I think I have an idea.
Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne
I'm too old for this stuff.
Well, this was going well, and then it wasn't. Alerts were going off. I thought this was the nozzle that popped off, but luckily, it's just the shell. So, back to the drawing board. Let me try this on a different printer and see how the ring is doing. Oh yeah. That looks amazing. What do you think? I think it's doable. The one thing I need to do is print off little feet. I'll just add 4 cylinders, shrink them down, and send them to the printer. Let's see how this looks. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is not going to pass. I only have 4 hours left. I need this thing to print successfully before everyone gets home. I've been cutting corners, trying to print it faster by not using as much support material, but I need to just add a bunch of support, make sure this thing can print before it's too late. I'll add that support and we'll check back later. While that's printing, let's talk about the hat. I actually split this up into 3 parts: the brim, the belt, and the top. And that's because I need multicolor on this hat, and my largest 3D printer, which can print the brim, doesn't have multicolor printing. So I'll print the brim on that printer, and then I'll print the belt on a printer and the top. Splitting it in 3 parts not only gives me the right colors, but it also will print faster because that's 3 parts being printed at once instead of 1 altogether. I don't think I could print this full hat in 8 hours. I started those prints earlier today. Let's go check them out. That belt came out perfect. Let's go check on the brim. Oh my gosh, that's not what it's supposed to look like. Well, that's why we run tests on filament we don't need, right? At least this is looking good so far. I'm going to change the settings on the brim and see if that helps. It finally printed. Let's remove these supports and put it in place. We only have an hour left and we still need to put that hat together. I have to be careful removing the supports. Some of the bars on this print are real thin and they could break easily. I'll use this knife. It's not only sharp, but it vibrates so fast you can't even see it vibrating. It'll make cutting a lot faster. Okay, here is the finished product. It looks really good. It broke as it was printing right here. This part did not connect like it does on this one. So that looks a little off, but I didn't have to design anything and those look pretty dang close. I think this will go a long time before someone notices it. It finally worked. Oh, that looks so good. Let's go try it out. And here is the top of the hat. All right. The hat is ready to put together, but I need to move fast. We only have 30 minutes left. While I'm doing this, I want to thank Creality for sponsoring this video and sending us the scanner. We couldn't have done this without them, at least not this fast. If you need a scanner, you can pick one up with the link below. It is not perfect. You can tell this top is perfectly circular. This one's more of an oval shape. And the colors don't match all the way. We did fuzzy skin on this one to make it look kind of fuzzy. If there's anything she's going to notice, it'll probably be this. All right, here goes nothing. She puts her bag in this corner, which means twice a day, she'll be walking past this hat. The odds of her not detecting it are pretty low. So we'll have to see how this goes. We're gonna hide this camera behind this little box. I'm hoping I can capture the moment she realizes this is not her hat. Everything has been placed. Now it's just a waiting game. And you know what I like to do when I'm waiting? No. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that again. I'm too old for this. In the next couple days or the next couple weeks, we're gonna capture footage and see how this goes. Fingers crossed they don't ever notice, but it's bound to happen one day. She's going to wear that hat again, I think. We are done with the first day. It's about 7 p.m. and she has no idea that that hat is there. We've made it one day down. Let's see how long we can keep this up. For all of you thinking, if you put me on your channel and didn't get my consent, I'd freak out. I won't put this on unless I get my wife's consent. One full week, they haven't suspected a thing. I thought maybe it'd go one day, maybe 2 days, but they haven't detected the ring, the little decor thing, or the hat. I just jinxed myself. We're at 2.5 weeks and I go over to the hat just to like fill it and, just to take a look. And my daughter walks in and she's like, "What are you doing with mom's hat?" So then she got closer and she realized it was 3D printed. Now, she can sometimes keep a secret, but I'm hoping she can keep this one. I guess we'll see. My sweet, sweet daughter asked my wife a question. "Mom, how are those hats doing?" "What do you mean? Were they a lot of money or what did Dad do?" So I hear screaming and yelling. I pull my phone out, I run in, and I capture her asking,
My real hat!
What?
Where's my real hat?
It's hiding.
You dummy.
That's your real hat. Put it
Why
on.
did you do this?
Put on the hat.
No.
I just want to see what it looks like. Does it fit you? That's perfect. That's your real hat.
3 weeks in, and the hat was discovered thanks to my sweet daughter who brought it up. I don't know how long that would have lasted. It might have gone for years. But they haven't found the ring yet, and they haven't found the decoration thing. So let's see how long those take to find. We are 1 month in, and so far the other 2 items have not been found. I thought for sure by now they'd be found. Let's see if we can make it a couple more weeks, and I'll check back as soon as there's any news. All right, we're on month 2. This little guy, still going strong, nobody knows. And the ring was discovered by my daughter. That ring made it 2 months. 2 months without anyone knowing. No one has discovered this yet, so we're gonna see how long it takes. We're on month 3, and I think I'm gonna have to cut this video short. This is a sponsored video, and they are asking, where is our video? Can we at least get a draft? Maybe I can hold off for a few more weeks. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll check back soon. This thing is going on 4 months undetected. It still has the broken part right here. No one's detected that. It just sits here. And my wife reads these books. It looks so real, they can't even tell. Thank you, Creality. Thank you, Otter Lite. It has been 4 months and we're still going strong. Now that we've hit the 4-month mark, I have no choice but to release this video. I can't just keep waiting and waiting. However, as soon as it's found, I will let you know. It will either be in one of my long videos or in a short video. So make sure you subscribe, keep watching, and keep coming back. On that note, we now have duplicate items in our house that we don't need. The 3D printed hat, the 3D printed bookshelf thing, and the 3D printed ring. We want to give all 3 of those away. If you want to be eligible, make sure you subscribe, you like, and leave us a comment letting us know you're interested in one of those 3 items. And then we will draw your name out of a hat. We'll put a short out there and let you know it is ready for you. As soon as someone finds that that is not the real thing, we'll let you know. If it goes over a year and you have subscribed and you've liked and you've left a comment, we will send you some money. Seriously, if that item that I can't name can make it a full year. If you want to see some of the toys we've supersized, take a look at this video here.